Welcome! LG Chem will show you how to install the RESU10M. Before the installation, please make sure to read the installation manual thoroughly. Prepare the tools for installation. Wear the safety gears listed in the installation manual at all times, and refer to the manual for clearance and installation location. In the box, you will find the modules, BPU, base bracket, mounting brackets, screw anchors, screws, installation manual, and the drill template. The wall mounting bracket is available as an additional option and is not included in the package. Open the package of the RESU set carefully. Keep in mind that the cardboard is used as a drill template for the wall. Then pull out the battery modules and BPU. Check whether they have any damage. First, attach the drill template to the wall and check that it is level. Drill 4 holes into the wall to fit the M6 screw anchors for the mounting brackets. The depth of the holes should be at least 50 millimeters each. Fix the provided mounting brackets to the wall with the M6 screw anchors with a torque of 5 Newton meters. Put the base bracket to the wall and place the first battery module on top of the base bracket. Then fasten it with 8 screws with a torque of 8 Newton meters. Check to be sure that there is at least 9 millimeters between the RESU and the wall. Place the second battery module on top of the base bracket. Then fasten with 8 screws with a torque of 8 Newton meters, just like the first battery module. Finally, check that the arrows on the connector labels are displayed in the same direction as in the manual. And remove the labels. With a voltmeter, check that the module voltage is within 75 ± 2 volts range. Remove the BPU cover by loosening the 4 screws at each corner of the top cover. With the cover removed, place the BPU on top of the battery modules and fasten it with 8 M5 bolts with a torque of 5 Newton meters. Connect the BPU power and sensing connectors to the battery modules. Next, feed the power cables, ground cable and communication cable through the grommet to the right of the battery modules. Connect the power cables first. Open the terminal cover plate and connect the power cables and ground cable to the BPU respectively with the cross-socket screws. Then connect the communication cable. Before attaching the RJ45 plug to the cable, check each of the 8 cables. Once all the cables are connected, close the terminal cover plate and fit the grommet into the hole. To ensure that all the cables are properly connected, turn on the circuit breaker and check that the LED panel on the front of the BPU is on. Place the RESU and base bracket between the mounting brackets. Fix the RESU to the mounting brackets with M5 bolts with a torque of 5 Newton meters. Close the BPU cover and tighten the 4 hex socket screws with a torque of 3 Newton meters.